Up here in the Skagit Valley, orange, white, and multicolored pumpkins are ripe and ready for harvest. Here at Bay Baby Produce, teams are just starting to pick pumpkins and squash so people all over can celebrate the upcoming fall season.
We grow organic hard squash, about 10 different varieties, along with about 20 different varieties of pumpkins.
Nate Youngquist is Vice President and Farm Manager of Bay Baby Produce. His job right now is to make sure harvest goes smoothly.
What I have in my hand right now is called a tiger, and we also have sparkler.
Oh my gosh, look at the teeny tiny little spots on it.
These are ornamental pumpkins that get put on your table for Halloween or even for Thanksgiving.
We started out growing like 30 acres, and now we're up to about 750 acres.
Michelle Youngquist is president of Bay Baby Produce here in Mount Vernon. Between her and her son, they managed to keep things running smoothly as a team.
Her and I are pretty similar, so we definitely can bounce ideas off each other, and I think that's kind of what makes us a good team. She sells and I grow, and we combine to make all the right decisions, hopefully.
We see the product all the way through, from beginning to end.
Right. You think you would mind showing me how to pick one of these?
Yeah, definitely.
All right, what am I looking for?
Well, you're just looking for one that's fully orange. You're just gonna kind of find the one you're looking for.
Ooh, how about that one?
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah,
and I don't want to touch the stem.
Just grab the whole thing right off and it'll peel right off.
Okay. Oh, I didn't even have to do anything with my wrist.
Fully mature, they just come right off, usually.
Wow, that's great. Thanks.
No problem. It's all yours.
Aside from just selling their pumpkins, they also have a few special products. Their Pumpkin Patch Pals give smiles to children all over. And their painting kits are also a fun way for kids of all ages to have fun together.
Do you think it'd be possible for me to do some painting of your pumpkins?
Absolutely. I know where you can get some.
Oh, you do?
So we set up some paint and brought in a special guest.
Oh, who do we have here?
We've got Lena Jo. This is my granddaughter.
All right, girl power. And what type of pumpkins are these?
Those are called Weeby Littles.
Weeby Littles. All right, well, we be painting.
We be painting. Like that.
Here you go, dear one.
Yeah.
You ready? All right, can you get started?
Oh yeah, she knows what she's doing
What
there.
color is that? Very good.
We were already painting pumpkins, so we decided, well, this is a fun thing for children to do, and it's great for moms to bring into the classroom, and it's small enough that they can take the pumpkins home in their backpack. You can do so many different types of decorations. We kind of keep what's trending on Pinterest and so forth, so you know, we're kind of following the pulse of the pumpkin pulse, I guess, and for fall decoration.
So is this like a whole thing that I've been missing out on, the pumpkin pulse?
The pumpkin pulse, yes. Everything's pumpkin. Pumpkin joy, pumpkin pulse, pumpkin painting.
Want to say 1, 2, 3, cheese? Okay. 1, 2, 3, cheese!
Cheese! Excellent! Good job.